One.
Good morning and welcome to Fogirhat Online School. Dear learners, I hope you are safe and preparing yourself staying at home. I am also fine. Here I am, Panamali Research, assistant teacher from Bahidya High School, Manchap, Fogirhat, Bagirhat. Dear learners, you are trying your best in this pandemic situation, staying at home. Now, I will try to help you discussing about the conditional sentences for class 9 and 10. Dear learners, let's enjoy the class. The conditional sentences. After finishing the lesson, the learners you will learn what is conditional sentences, what is conditional sentences, what is the classification of conditional sentences. Actually, there are how many conditional sentences in English grammar, and you will also learn about the difference between second conditional and third conditional. Now we will try to learn about conditional sentences. Dear learners, the conditional sentences is a conditional sentences sentence here is a kind of complex sentence. Complex sentence. Which contain at least one subordinate clause, which is called if clause, and one principal clause, and it is called result clause. Dear learners, if clause is called a subordinate clause is called if clause, and principal clause is called result clause. Dear learners, and subordinate clause here, subordinate clause ascribe condition on principal clause. Principal clause and this condition is called, this condition is, find for this condition this type of sentence, this type of sentence is called subconditional. This type of sentence is called conditional sentence. Okay, dear learners, we have already learned conditional sentence has at least two parts. One subordinate clause which is called if clause, and another is one principal clause which is called here result clause, and subordinate clause ascribe condition on principal clause, and for this condition this type of sentence is called conditional sentence. Now, dear learners, we learn the classification of conditional sentences. There are two controversy about the conditional sentences in English grammar. One group of writers says there are three kinds of conditional sentences. First conditional, according to them, they are first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. And another group emphasizes with a zero conditional, and then first, second, and third. According to them, there are four types of conditional sentences. Dear learners, here we discuss about four types of conditional sentences. So, dear learners, there are four kinds of conditional sentences. Okay. There are four kinds of conditional sentences. One, number zero conditional. Number two, first conditional. Three, second conditional. And then number four, third conditional. Okay. Zero conditional express present simple sentence. present simple plus present simple. Like the sentence example here, if it rains, I use umbrella. Notice the example, dear learners. Here, if plus, here we write if also, if plus it rains, it is present simple. Actually, it is called also present indefinite tense. And then I use umbrella. It is also present simple. Dear learners, I think you have understood these sentences. And then if plus present simple plus future simple or subject plus will plus verb. Now look at the example and try to understand. If you come, I will go. Dear learners, if you come, it is here condition and it is if clause and the result clause here I will go. If this condition is fulfilled, then the result will be fulfilled. My going will be different for your coming. And then I also write these sentences in different tense here. If you came here, I would go. Dear learners, here if plus first simple or first indefinite and then subject plus would plus verb. Someone said it is conditional first. And then next, if you had come. Here if plus past perfect. If you had come, I would have gone. plus subject plus would have plus V3. Now, dear learners, I think you have clearly understood about zero conditionals, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. You must remember that zero conditionals express present and present. It is possible. If it rains, I use umbrella. Two parts of this sentence are written in present simple tenses, and these first conditional if plus present simple plus future simple, and then second conditional if plus past, and then subject plus would plus verb, and third conditional if plus past perfect and plus subject plus would have plus V3. Dear learners, actually second conditional and third conditional are in Bengali meaning are same. Now, if I write here Bangla, যদি তুমি আসতে আমি যেতাম. Here also the meaning of this sentence is also যদি তুমি আসতে আমি যেতাম. Dear learners, notice what is the basic difference of these two types of sentences. Notice it. You have done math line, number line actually. Here root 0, and we have suppose here we are present, and our right is future, and our left is past here. What is the basic difference between first indefinite and first perfect? If we number it here, actually -1 and -2, this time, this is also time. In this time, I ate rice. I ate rice. And here this is also another word. Suppose to is you had come. And the meaning of this, আমি ভাত খেয়েছিলাম. আমি ভাত খেয়েছিলাম। হেয়ার তুমি এসেছিলে। This is past perfect tense and the meaning of this you had come তুমি এসেছিলে. We also write you came also তুমি এসেছিলে. The basic difference between past indefinite, past indefinite and past perfect is for time. You have learned that the two words in past is completed when we compare these two type of work with one another. The work which is occurred or finished first actually in far away from present situation, it is past perfect, and which is near to present, it is past indefinite. Actually some grammar writer says that past indefinite is called নিকটাতীত and past perfect is called দূরাতীত. I hope you have understood clearly. Dear learners, now I will give you some homework. If you feel sleepy, then if he works hard, then if I had a car, and next if they had worked hard, they, dear learners, you will complete these sentences and submit to your subject teacher when the school will open. And till then, stay home, keep safe, and enjoy another class with another teacher and another subject. Thank you very much.